2.1 आज आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, सेकंड आणि थर्ड ही 3 उदाहरणं आपण सोडून बघू. यामधला क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट आहे, आयडेंटिफाय विथ रिझन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर पायथागोरन ट्रिपलेट्स. पायथागोरन ट्रिपलेट्स आहे की नाही. यापूर्वी आपण डेफिनेशन पाहिली की पायथागोरन ट्रिपलेटमध्ये द स्क्वेअर ऑफ लार्ज नंबर इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द स्क्वेअर ऑफ रिमेनिंग 2 numbers. If it is possible that then the given numbers are a Pythagorean triplets. Otherwise we say that it is not a Pythagorean triplet. Now here we consider one of the example, that is 24, 70 and 74. Now how to solve this then? So solution. First large number of this is that is a 74. So 74 square is equal to 74 into 74, that is 5476. This is 1. Now sum of the square of remaining 2 number. What are the remaining 2 number? That is one of them is 24, another is 70. So now 24 square plus 70 square is equal to, what is 24 square? That is 576 plus what is this there 70 square? That is 4900. That is equal to what we say there 67546. This is second. From 1 and 2. Therefore, what we say that? Therefore, we have 74 square is equal to 24 square plus 70 square. That is from 1 and 2. This is from 1 and 2. Hence, what we say that? Hence, 24, 70, 24, 70 and 74 are the Pythagorean triplets. Are the Pythagorean triplets. Triplets. So in this way we can find out. Now see the second of this. नंतर बघा, नंतर सेकंड आहे 10, 24 and 27. हे सुद्धा याच पद्धतीने लार्ज नंबर इज 27. So 27 चा स्क्वेअर is equal to, what is 27 into 77? That is 729. 729. This is first. Next 10 square plus 24 square. So 10 square is 100 plus 24 square is 576. Now if you sum this, that 676. What we say from 1 and 2? Therefore 27. Therefore from 1 and 2 what we say that 20 square not equal to 10 square plus 20 square. 27 चा स्क्वेअर किती आला? 729. 10 स्क्वेअर प्लस 24 चा स्क्वेअर किती आला? 676. हे सारखे आहेत का? दे आर नॉट इक्वल. सो इट मीन दॅट 27 स्क्वेअर इज नॉट इक्वल टू 10 स्क्वेअर प्लस 24 स्क्वेअर. दिस इज फ्रॉम 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. So from 1. Hence, what we say there? Hence 10, 24 and 27 are not a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplets. ठीक है? This is the another. So now solve remaining examples. Now see question number 2. In figure, angle MNP is equal to 90 degree. Angle MNP is 90 degree. Segment NQ is perpendicular to segment MP. NQ perpendicular to segment MP. MQ is equal to 9. PQ is equal to 4. To find NQ. Now solution. In triangle in triangle MNP, angle N 90 degree, MQ, NQ perpendicular to MP. Therefore, या ट्रायंगल मध्ये बघा MNP angle N 90 degree, NQ perpendicular to MP. Therefore, this segment NQ, it is called as a geometric mean. Therefore, by property of geometric mean, we have NQ square is equal to MQ into QP or PQ. So now substituting the values, therefore, what to find out? To find out that MQ. So therefore NQ square. What is NQ? Not given. So NQ square is equal to MQ is 9 into PQ is 4. PQ is 4. Therefore, NQ square is equal to 36. Therefore, NQ is equal to under root of 36. Therefore, NQ is equal to 6. Hence, the value of NQ, hence the value of NQ, hence NQ is 6. Hence, the value of NQ is 6. Now see question number 3. In figure 2.18, angle QPR is equal to 90, segment PM perpendicular to segment QR, and QMR, PM is equal to 10, QM is equal to 8. फाइंड QR. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? QR फाइंड आउट करायचं. हे तिसऱ्या नंबरचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. इन ट्रायंगल QPR, if you observe that in triangle QPR, angle P is 90 degree, PM perpendicular, so angle M is a 90 PM perpendicular to QR. So that means that this PM become a geometric mean. So solution, in triangle QPR, angle P is equal to 90 degree and segment PM is perpendicular to QR. Therefore, we have PM square is equal to QM into MR. This is property of geometric mean. Property of geometric mean. So now therefore substituting the values here, what is PM? It is given to be 10 square. What is QM? That is 8 into MR. So now therefore we have QM square means 10 square means 100 is equal to 8 into MR. So therefore MR is equal to 100 upon 8. Therefore MR is equal to, what is 100 upon 8? 12.5 unit. MR is 12.5. So now next, from the figure we have QR is equal to QM plus MR. QM plus EMR. Reason is that QMR. So now substituting the values here, therefore QR is equal to, what is QM? It will be 8 plus EMR, it is determined by 12.5, therefore QR is equal to 20.5 unit, hence the answer. So here we determine QR, it is 20.5 units, and EMR is equal to 12.5 units, hence the answer.